Quantum biology might seem like a new scientific field, but researchers were asking questions about the intersection of quantum physics and life nearly a century ago. By the late 1920s, physicists had developed quantum physics, a framework that successfully explained atoms, light, particles, and chemical bonds. Biology, however, still contained many mysteries. Scientists knew that genes carried hereditary information, but they didn't yet know what genes were made of, how information was carried, or how molecules could affect an entire organism. That led physicists to ask whether the new understanding of the atomic world might reveal something about life. In 1929, Niels Bohr publicly considered what atomic physics might contribute to biology. Although his ideas were broad and philosophical, they encouraged other scientists to actually look into it. One of them was Pascal Jordan. In 1932, Jordan published what is often considered the first formal paper on quantum biology. He proposed that a quantum effect affecting only a small number of important molecules could be amplified until it produced consequences through a cell or organism. Unfortunately, Jordan's legacy was largely tainted because he was a part of the Nazi Party, but his early work remains an important and troubling part of the field's history. But Jordan wasn't alone in exploring this relationship between quantum physics and life. During the 1930s, Max Delbruck and his collaborators investigated how individual packets of radiation could affect genes, and other interdisciplinary groups began exploring whether quantum physics could be explaining heredity, mutations, and other biological organizations. Then in 1944, Erwin Schrödinger brought these ideas to broader audiences with his book, What is Life? He argued that heredity developed on highly ordered molecular structures and suggested that mutations might arise from quantum events within the gene molecule. Scientists still lacked the tools needed to test most of these proposals, but decades before these modern quantum phenomena were actually being tested, the questions were still getting asked. Though the field may be evolving today more rapidly than ever, its origins actually date back to the birth of modern quantum physics.